All right guys, so we're down under here, we're trying to figure out what has caused this hole in the soffit. And we're trying to figure out, is wind blowing in this soffit? Is it getting up inside? This is right where the leak sat inside, so it's got something to do with it. We checked the roof out, nothing on the roof, that is just something that's popping out at us. And then we got looking around and here's what we found. A sprinkler head. So we noticed the sprinkler head's gone, it's laying on the ground, and if we look, it's a direct shot into the soffit. So we have found the leak. It's not actually a roof leak, it's a sprinkler head. So we're gonna be able to fix that for the homeowner or get them in the right direction. Get them with an irrigation company that's gonna be able to solve the problem and fix it for them. You know, at the beginning of this process, the homeowner was irritated. They were mad that they had a leak, they've already paid to get it fixed, but at the end, we were able to solve their problem. We're patient, we're kind to the homeowner. We know that it's frustrating, but in the end, it wasn't the roofer, it was a sprinkler leak. And we see this a lot. So 50–60% of the calls that we get aren't actually leaks. There's something else going on with the house that's causing a stain on the ceiling, and in this case it was a sprinkler head. So we're problem solvers. We're here for the customers that are our customers to help them find their issues, and that's why it's important to hire a licensed roofer that knows what he's doing, that cares about you, the customer's well-being. And in this case, we're going to get them fixed up. Their issues are gone. Number one thing I always tell homeowners, bleach and water, they'll take that stain right out and they're back to normal, no more issues, sprinklers fixed.